They included a paintbrush to clean the keyboard. And alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing my brand new gaming keyboard to play Fortnite obviously, and a little bit of Call of Duty. So if you guys are going to enjoy today's video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, you smash that like button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys stay updated with all my latest videos coming to the channel. Now let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, we have the keyboard here. This is the ASUS ROG Azoth wireless gaming keyboard. I really hope I said that correctly. But let's get it open. Alright. Do I need a knife for this? I came prepared this time. This part you don't need a knife for. I've determined that. Okay. Now let's get the actual keyboard out. Okay, so this is a very thick box. I'm just gonna say this is a very thick box. Okay, let's see. Okay. Tape here, I learned from last time. This time I brought a knife to cut it open because we are not wasting time with this. Okay. 2 pieces of tape down. Perfect. Okay, we should be able to just open this now, right? This is actually kind of heavy though. I don't want any of this stuff to just like fall out and go everywhere. Okay. Stuart, I need you to watch the box. Why are you looking that way? You're supposed to be looking this way. There you go. Damn. I gotta say, ASUS ROG packaging is always very nice. Because I currently use an ASUS ROG keyboard. I got it like a year ago, but I found this one, so... Look at that. The ASUS ROG logo. Beautiful. Alright, let's open this. Damn. They even go as far to just like put this like foam piece right here. It's like so nice that they do that. Look at this. They got it. Oh wow, this is a very soft bag. What is this? Welcome to Republic of Gamers. Your ROG product is engineered and tested to ensure gaming perfection. It's time to experience mastery on another level. Load up and game on. Remember that, guys. Load up and game on. I'm gonna put that right there for now. Okay. Okay, what's the best way to pull this thing in? Okay, I like that. Woo! Look at this. They even, it's not like a regular keyboard company where they just give you a plastic bag over it. It's actual cloth. It's like an actual cloth bag that they put it in. Oh my god. I almost feel bad just like touching it with my bare hands. I feel like I should be wearing gloves or something. Okay. Oh. Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. And it just comes out so easily. You don't have to open anything. Wow. Holy sh... Damn. It's nice and compact, which is what I was looking for. My current one is a 75% TKL, but it's not very compact. The arrow keys are more further out. This one is a lot more compacted together, as you can clearly see. Which is one of the things that I really like about this and why I bought it. There's also an LED screen up here, which you can either just keep the ASUS ROG logo, or you could put like your GPU temperatures, your CPU temperatures, if that's a priority to you. For me, it's going to come in handy because that's what I'm going to use it for, mostly. The keyboard is also wireless. I think I mentioned that at the beginning. There's another button here. It's only on this side, so it's definitely something regarding the volume. And there is a kickstand here for it, which I always use my keyboards with the stands up. Now, something interesting about this keyboard is that it's actually like a beginner's like level to like custom keyboards essentially. So if you're familiar with how most gaming keyboards are, you can get red switches, brown switches, I think blue switches as well. There's a bunch of different color switches. Some of them have like different response times, different noise levels. Some are more clicky than others, you know. Pretty much things like that, right? And basically, with this keyboard, you can swap all of those out. There's supposed to be a kit in the box that'll just let me swap them out to, like, brown keys or blue keys or whatever, you know? I bought it with red keys originally installed, so maybe I'll try others. I don't know yet, but we'll see. There's a bunch of other stuff. There's also a cleaning kit I think they included in here as well, which is kind of funny. Let's see what else is in here. All right. What else do we have? Oh, the box is like so detailed. There's another part of the box down here that was just like hidden under here. I feel like I'm unboxing an iPhone again. Okay, the instructions are down here, but what is in here? I don't want to damage this packaging. I damaged the Xbox, like, Xbox's box by accident last time. Did not want to do that. That was the one thing I didn't want to do. I don't want to damage this. Just come out. Oh, wow. There actually is a kit in here for something. They do have extra keys in here. All right, we're just going to put this here. So this keyboard can be used two different ways. It can be used wirelessly or wired. It all depends on the preference, though. What is this? Is this the keycap remover? Wow, it's actually like a nice keycap remover. The other one, they just give you like this little circle tool with like the clips at the end. You just kind of go in and just remove it. What is this over here? Oh, is this an adapter? It's a USB-C to USB adapter, I think. If your computer doesn't have it. Wow, okay. And what is this circle piece in here? What is this? I don't even know what this is. Is this like something for like a cleaner? Is it a candle maybe? No, it wouldn't be a candle, but... What is this in here? See, I want to say this is another keycap remover. One of these I think is for the switch, the different color switches, you know? And then I think one of them's strictly for keycaps. So we'll just put that back in here for now, but... Is this a stand? Wait. This is a stand, I think. Hold up. Guys, I'm pretty sure this is a stand. But for what exactly? Keycaps? Like, no, not the keyboard, but like... I think this is for like keycaps and like the different color switches. What in the... Okay, there's a thing in a plastic bag here. What is this? This looks like tape. This literally looks like tape. You put this in here? Like, what is this for? I have no idea. Oh my god, I just saw this now. They included a paintbrush to clean the keyboard. So like when your keyboard gets all dusty and it's like in between those tight little spaces, you just go in there with it and use the brush. Because it'll get into those tight spaces very, very easily and it'll remove the dust. Okay, that's actually quite cool. I'm actually happy they included that because I've never had this before. This is actually very nice that they included this because now I don't have to go out and like get Q-tips or something or whatever. Here's the wire. It's probably used to charge the keyboard or just to keep it plugged in if you want to use it wiredly. It's really up to your preference. There are also some extra keycaps. Oh shit! Did I just push it down here by accident? Wait, how do you get these out of here? Wait, 500 IQ right here. So they include extra color switches, which is cool. They're red switches, which are already on the keyboard, but that's cool. There's 3 extra switches here. I'm not really sure what the purpose of the 3 extra ones are, but I'll take them. And with that being said, guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave me a comment down below letting me know how you felt about it. Because this is the second unboxing video we've done on the channel already. Because the first one did pretty well. Stuart, are you enjoying these unboxing videos? Yeah, that's what I thought. But with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys stay updated with all my latest videos coming to the channel. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.